Okay, quick demonstration of my sound card. It's the card itself, and going to connect everything up. We've got Henglong speaker, Henglong volume control, radio receiver, and I'm going to hook this to speed controller. Normally you'd hook this to a DBC. We'll get the power, in this case, from the speed controller. This would get the power from your DBC normally. Okay, turn the radio transmitter on, connect up the battery, and switch it on. Okay, so we're going to start the engine. This represents the trigger from the DBC. Fire, hit, and destroy. As with the normal DBC, you can't start the engine for 15 seconds after you're dead. Brilliant. If we leave it to idle for 30 seconds, the engine will switch itself off. Now it's as if we're stopped somewhere on the battlefield, hiding out, but we can still fire and be hit. And it'll start itself up again. And it can still be destroyed.